There are people making money online right now in ways you probably haven't even thought about. And honestly, some of them are so simple you'll wonder why nobody really talks about them. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 different ways ordinary people are generating real income online today. And a few of these are quietly taking off. And here's the interesting part. Most of them don't require experience, a big following, or anything fancy to get started. So yeah, let's dive in. Hey, I'm Justin. A couple of years ago, I was stuck in a 9-to-5 that I didn't hate, but I definitely didn't love either. It just felt like I was on autopilot. I kept seeing people online talking about making money from home, and every time I tried something, drop shipping, random side hustles, whatever was trending at the time, I'd either lose money or quit after a few weeks because it just felt overwhelming. At one point, I honestly started to think maybe you had to be some kind of marketing genius or already have a huge audience for any of this to actually work. But eventually I realized the problem wasn't that making money online didn't work. It was that I was chasing the wrong things. Once I focused on simple, proven methods that real people were actually using, not just hype, everything changed. Now I make money online consistently. And more importantly, I understand what actually works and what's just noise. And that's exactly why I made this video. All right, let's get into it. There are a lot of ways to make money online, but these 10 are the ones people are actively using right now. Some are beginner-friendly, some take skill, and a couple of them can genuinely turn into full-time income if you stick with them. Let's start simple. 1. Podcast clipping. You know when you're scrolling TikTok or YouTube Shorts and you see clips from podcasts? Yeah, someone is getting paid for posting that. Here's basically how it works. You take a long podcast episode, run it through an AI clipping tool, and it automatically pulls out short, potentially viral moments. Then you post those clips on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. If you're in a country with monetization enabled, you can earn from views. And if a clip takes off, that could mean hundreds, sometimes even thousands from one solid post. Is it guaranteed? No. But you don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive gear. You just need consistency and a good eye for interesting moments. 2. YouTube automation. This one has kind of exploded recently. Instead of filming yourself, you use AI tools to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and create visuals. Then you upload the video and monetize through ads. You pick a niche: fitness, finance, business, motivation, whatever has demand. Here's something most people don't realize. Educational channels often earn more per view than entertainment channels. And once a video is up, it can keep earning for years. Imagine posting something once, and it pays you 3, 5, maybe even 10 years later. That's the power of YouTube when it's done right. 3. Affiliate marketing. This one is honestly underrated, but it's powerful. Affiliate marketing is just recommending products you already use. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. That's it. You don't create the product. You don't ship anything. You don't deal with customer service. You're just connecting people with things they already want. You can promote Amazon products, software tools, digital courses. Almost every big company has some kind of affiliate program. And if you build content around a niche, this can scale really well. But I'll be honest, it takes patience. It's not instant money. You have to build trust first. 4. Selling digital products. This is one of my favorites. You create something once: a guide, a template, a spreadsheet, a training plan, and then you sell it over and over again. It could be a budgeting spreadsheet, a fitness training guide, a niche-specific workbook, a Canva template. The key is specificity. Instead of fitness guide, think 12-week beginner marathon plan. Instead of business template, think Instagram content calendar for realtors. The more specific you are, the better it usually converts. And once it's built, every sale is almost pure profit. 5. Building a personal brand via content creation. This one's more long-term, but it's powerful. LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Pick one platform and commit to it. Post 2 to 3 times a week. Do it for a year. Don't quit halfway through. Most people fail because they jump around. Video editing 1 week, drop shipping the next, trading after that. But growth online is usually boring before it's profitable. The people making serious money, They stuck with one thing long enough to get good at it. 6. Copywriting with AI. You might be thinking, I'm not a writer. Honestly, you don't really have to be. Businesses constantly need written content. Emails, ad copy, landing pages, product descriptions, captions, sales pages, the list goes on. And most business owners either don't have the time to write it themselves or they're just not very good at it. That's where you come in. You can use AI to help draft the first version, headlines, email sequences, ad variations, and then your job is to refine it, make it sound natural, and tailor it to that specific brand. You're not starting from a blank page, you're editing and improving. Small brands, creators, startups, they all need help communicating better. And here's the important part. Good copy directly impacts sales. A better email can mean more clicks. A better sales page can mean more conversions. And when your work makes someone more money, they're happy to pay you for it. It's skill-based, yes, but it's learnable. And once you understand the basics of persuasive writing, it becomes a high-value service. 7. Automation agencies. This one's more advanced, but it's huge. Businesses waste hours every week doing repetitive tasks. Sending emails, updating spreadsheets, managing leads. Automation tools let you connect apps and streamline those processes. If you can build systems that save a company time, you're saving them money. And if you can save a business 10 hours a week, they'll happily pay you for that. 8. Match betting. This one surprises people. Betting companies offer promotions to attract new users. Things like bet $10, get $50 free, or deposit bonuses. Now, most people either ignore those offers or they gamble with them and hope for the best. But there's actually a structured way to use those promotions where you're not relying on luck. The idea is to place one bet with the promotion and then place an opposite bet elsewhere to cover all outcomes. When it's done properly, you lock in a small guaranteed profit from the bonus itself, not from gambling. So it's not really gambling in the traditional sense. You're not trying to predict the game. You're extracting value from the promotional offers. The downside, it doesn't last forever. Eventually, betting companies realize what you're doing and limit your account. But some people have made a few thousand doing this part-time over a year or two, especially in countries where these promotions are common. It's not glamorous. It's not passive long-term. But for some people, it's been a solid short-term cash generator. 9. Private investing, small scale. Angel investing. Now this isn't beginner level, but it's real. Some people invest small amounts into early-stage businesses, negotiate a percentage, help the company grow, and earn dividends or profit when it exits. This requires capital and patience. But even small-scale investing can generate passive income if it's done carefully. The key? Don't just throw money at something because it sounds exciting. Understand the business first. 10. Creating online content for ad revenue. This deserves its own mention. YouTube, specifically, is one of the most proven ways to build passive income online. Once you hit the monetization requirements, ads run on your videos, and you earn every time someone watches. Educational content often earns more per view. And honestly, the craziest part? One good video can keep paying you for years. Not days, not weeks, years. Bringing it all together, those are 10 ways people are making money online right now. Some are fast, but limited. Some take skill, but can scale. Some require patience. Some require creativity. A few require capital. But the real difference between someone making a few hundred online and someone making thousands? They picked one, and they stuck with it. Not for a week, not for a month, but long enough to actually get good. You can do almost anything, but you can't do everything. Pick one, commit to it, give it at least 3 to 6 months. That's usually where the real money starts. If you found this helpful and you want more honest breakdowns like this, subscribe for more videos just like this one, and drop a comment letting me know which one you're actually going to try. Because watching is easy. Executing, that's what changes everything.